Alright guys, this is our official room tour. Room 6298 aboard the Carnival Horizon. This is an interior cabin. Once you enter the room, to your right you will have your closets and a safe and 3 drawers with a mirror. Your desk, phone. Hi guys! And your bed. 2 nightstands with 2 lamps. Your television. Your pool towels. And over in here will be your refrigerator. In the bathroom, you will also see that you have your shampoo and shower gel, towels, sink, extra storage below, tissues, and shelving. In the center of the bed, you will have a light switch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this interior stateroom tour. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about this particular interior room aboard the Carnival Horizon. We do reply back to comments. And as always guys, thank you for watching this video. Enjoy life, make it an adventure. Please follow us on our other social media, on Twitter at Adventures of DNA, and on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron.